This two-bedroom, two-bath home has an open floor pan with large, sunny windows and natural light throughout the very spacious living room, dining, and kitchen. The kitchen has ample cabinetry and counter space along with all major appliances. The laundry room is off of the kitchen. The primary bedroom can accommodate a king-sized bed and has an ensuite, full bath and walk-in closet. There is a second bedroom and another 3/4 bath.A finish 14 by 26 addition connects the home and garage and offers a space for multiple purposes, home office, storage, play area, or an additional third bedroom could be framed in the area. The double garage has room for 2 full-size vehicles, capable of lots of storage and workspace for projects and tools. The addition walks out to the fenced backyard and patio area. The front yard is also fenced with a nice covered deck perfect for grilling and relaxation. The long double driveway can accommodate